What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Last night I went down a rabbit hole of technology and I was basically trying to figure out if AI is actually going to be there for the future. And I'm pretty convinced that it is. Let me show you why. So after going on to YouTube, I found this video that has 200 plus AI tools, and these are apps that are available to you and you can use on a daily basis, and they actually help you in life. So this is not like your regular Candy Crush or Angry Birds that you just whip out when you're bored, but these are apps that you can use every day, from tracking your heart rate, from tracking your sleep, from tracking this to tracking that. Let me give you a list. So if the technology is this good today, imagine what it'll be in the next 5 years.
Nothing, bro. AI is just that stupid. It will be stupid even 5 years later.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What makes you think it's stupid? Please tell me.
Now, just open Imagica.ai
Imagica.ai.
and look at the tutorial video. What is that question? Why do I need an app for that? Why can't I just ask Google?
Bro, this is just one example. One rotten apple doesn't ruin the entire bunch. But she's posed an interesting challenge. I'm going to use Imagica.ai, which she thinks is stupid, and I'll create a smart app using this exact platform. The key with artificial intelligence is the idea. Without the idea, there's nothing there. So imagine you're the artist and you have the vision, and all you're using AI to do is be the brush and use the canvas. You're outsourcing, you're delegating. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so now that we're going to be using Imagica to create our application, now we need an idea. So what kind of app am I going to create? Bless you. You have COVID or what? I've got it. So here's the basic app idea. Don't you hate having a nothing illness? Like, you don't want to go to the doctor, but you can't help but scroll all your symptoms. And don't you hate that every time you go to the internet, it just tells you you have cancer? Here's how I'm solving your problem. You can enter whatever symptom you're feeling, and the app will give you similar symptoms and give you home remedies for all of those symptoms together. And if you feel like the symptoms are severe enough, then the application will tell you to go to your doctor. Okay, so now we have the app idea, but how do we convert this into a reality? Because I don't know how to code, but I think Imagica AI should suffice. Because you see, AI will fill the gap. I'm winking because there's a gap that you don't know about, you freaking perverts. So the gap is basically like when you go to the tailor and you tell him you want a brown suit, but it comes back ill-fitting. The gap between what you communicated to him and what came back, this gap in between is what we're talking about. Now, the best way to close this gap is to try to be as accurate as possible with your prompt. Now, I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I didn't just focus on specificity, but I didn't want the AI to go through any unnecessary gibberish. Now, if you're trying to figure out how I use this selection of words, then what I basically did was I came over here and I was looking at the ways that you can appeal to different AIs, all right? And now here is a step-by-step process onto how to think about what you're going to put into your prompt. So obviously you have to use the right model for the job. You can fact check, you can tailor results through different points of views. So you have to take all of these different factors into consideration when you're using a prompt, because without that, it's just going to be generic, or it would just be like talking to a personal assistant as opposed to giving them a profession that they can help you with. Oh my God. Yo, this is a lot more intricate than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now we have our health symptom, we have related symptoms, we have remedies, and we have what to do in case of things being severe. All right, so now let's add another health symptom. Sorted, it works. Oh my God, I can't wait for her to come back. Now I have to rub this in her face. She thought it was stupid, but I've created a damn smart app, and this is intricate. This is extremely, extremely intricate. Let me run you through it. So here we entered the symptom. Here are all the recommendations that come for the symptom that you're having. Here are the related symptoms. And here's what you can do if the symptoms are a little too severe. This is incredible. And this took nothing. This took 2 minutes. This is actual 2 minutes. This is not false advertisement like Maggie noodles. Okay, now I have a link. I can share this with anyone on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on email, on Facebook if you still use that. As soon as you open this link, you'll have access to the application. Hey, check your phone. See the link I sent you?
It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, that's what I thought. AI for the win. We've taken another cynic and we've converted them into a believer with artificial intelligence. And I'm damn impressed with the way it worked out. And guys, it's as simple as this. Just think of AI as an additional brain, your second brain, your personal Jarvis, to help you do all of the tasks that you don't necessarily want to do, but you have to do. And you can focus more on creating, exploring, learning. And guys, if you're looking to learn more about tools to enhance everyday life, then make sure you subscribe to the Builder Central and make sure you like, make sure you comment, and we will be interacting with you.